Hello friends, welcome to learn Coreldraw. Today we are going to learn how to create drawing. Now let us create from this first drawing. It is a butterfly. Now let us create a page 2. Okay, while creating this drawing, first create this shape. How to create this shape, let us see. Simply you can use Bezier or pen tool. Here I use Bezier. First zoom the area. Okay, then I want to draw this shape. Then if you don't know how to draw, if you don't know drawing, then also you can easily draw this shape. Simply click on Bezier and click like this. Okay, now this shape is created. Then click on shape tool, select the whole shape and go to convert to curve. Okay, click first anywhere on the page and then you can edit this shape. Okay, let us zoom it with the help of mouse scroll. Now here, if you want to create a smooth shape, then you have to remove unnecessary nodes. Suppose for forming this shape, some nodes are necessary. For example, this node is necessary, this one and this one. Therefore, let us remove the unnecessary node. You can also remove node with the help of shape tool. Select the node and directly double click it. You can also remove the single node by using double click. Now, let us remove these nodes. Your drawing should be smooth. Try the smooth drawing. Okay, now after that you can edit the shape as per your logic. Now I told you how to solve this problem. For this problem you use cups node. You can also directly click on line. Okay, like this you can create a shape. Okay, after that we want this shape, middle shape, or you can also first let us draw the middle shape, then we will draw this. And for middle shape is very easy. Again use Bezier. Just click like this. Your last node should be end on the first node. Again do the same way. Select the drawing with the help of shape tool, convert to curve and remove the unnecessary nodes. Here you can also remove a single node. With the help of double click or select node and click delete or press delete button. Now let us adjust this shape with the help of subnodes. You can also create node on the line as per your choice. You can arrange the shape. But your shape should display a smooth. Okay, now we put this shape here. After that let us draw this one. Then select the drawing by pick tool. Then select the drawing with the help of shape tool, convert to curve, and then you can directly delete the nodes. Okay, you can also rotate this shape. If you don't know these techniques, then you can watch our previous lessons. Okay, after that, let us increase this slightly. After that, let us select these two nodes with the help of shift tool. Then click on copy. Then there is paste, and simply click on mirror button. Here is the horizontal mirror. Now drag this shape, or you can also drag with the help of arrow key. Okay. Now let us fill it. I told you all methods how to fill the shape. You can choose any one method as per your choice. I use here fountain fill, custom. Let us choose the number colors. Okay. You can also fill it with different pattern. You can use any fill method. There is no restriction. Let us use two color pattern. This one. Choose the color. You can also adjust the width and height. Suppose width is 2, height is 2. Okay. Then go to interactive fill tool, and you can also, with the help of this ratio, you can also, suppose here I use 0.5, you can adjust the pattern. Okay. Suppose you want a different fill here, then you can also use the different fill method. But if you want to same method, then how to use it? Click the shape where you want to fill the any pattern or color. Here we click the empty shape, go to edit, copy property from, click on fill. Okay, this one. As well as you can also use the same method, copy property from fill, this one. Okay, now here you can use the suppose texture, suppose this texture. Okay, now you can also remove the outline from here, none, none. Okay, now after that, let us create this shape. You can also use Bezier, you can also use freehand here. Use freehand. For freehand, you can directly apply the shape tool. You don't need to convert to a curve. Okay. After that, let us broad this outline, copy paste, and click on mirror. Okay. You can also apply, or you can also edit this drawing as per your choice. Suppose I want here simple something like this. I want with color. I want a little bit eyes. Copy paste with the help of arrow key also. Okay. Let us select whole the drawing and arrange it properly. This drawing is different, it has different part. Then you can also use select all the drawing and click on group. Here is the group. The shortcut key is Ctrl G. Like this you can create a simple drawing. Now, like this, you can also create a tree. Okay, you can also create this tree, and then we will see how to create other part. But this is a assignment for you, how to create you have to create this shape, then after that this fruits, and then this part of tree. Okay, thank you for watching the lecture. We will continue in next lecture.